Here's how to fix the problem if your YouTube comment isn't showing up. First of all, you need to refresh your YouTube web page or restart the YouTube application. And after you've done that, check your internet connection to make sure that it's stable, as a weak connection can prevent comments from loading. Next, you need to clear the YouTube's cache and cookies. So go ahead, tap and hold onto the YouTube application, tap on the eye icon in the top right corner to go to its app info. From here, scroll down and go to storage, then click on clear cache. Come back right before stopping this application or disabling it, and then enable it again. Go to permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this application, and also make sure that the notifications are turned on for a while. Clearing the YouTube cache and cookies through Apps Info will disable restricted mode in your YouTube settings under the General tab. You can also go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select Uninstall Updates. And after that, try reinstalling or re-updating the YouTube application. Go ahead, open your Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. Then search for YouTube application, and if you see an update button instead of open highlighted in blue color, go ahead and tap on that to update it to its latest and newest version available. And keep in mind that sometimes the commenter might have disabled comments, so you may not see your comments. So that's it for this video. If you follow the steps, you should be able to solve the problem. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.